All right, I saved the best for last. So we are going to be looking at the last two that we have here, which are cube roots. I don't know if you can see that because it's kind of tiny, but you see there's a little tiny 3 right here. So that's the index. So this little digit above the root symbol is your index. So that tells me the root number that we were talking about. So this is cube root. So in algebra, we don't really get too crazy with these, but we do get up to cube roots just a little bit and briefly, just kind of introduction of that. You'll obviously be a little more with this in higher level math, but you are just going to be dealing with square and cube roots in Algebra 1. So I've kind of down here, I've done some quick cubes. Now, cubes are not, these are perfect cubes. So just like perfect squares, these are integer numbers that give you nice, beautiful whole digits. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. This is not 2 to the third power, is not 2 times 3. I want people to make sure that they understand that. 3 to the third power is 3 times 3 times 3. 4 to the third power, 4 times 4, which is 16, then times 3, which is 64. And then I did up to 5. So by the time you get to 5, you've already got a pretty good number, pretty good sized number. So these they get big very quickly. So first thing to notice, now just like when we're doing square root estimating, we're going to do the same thing here. So I've done this. So these are the numbers that would be under the cube root symbol. So if I'm looking for the number 20, 20 is between 8 and 27. There's a big gap between 8 and 27. So it's between 2 and 3, the integers, it's between. And so again, what I'm going to do with these, like I did with my square roots, we're going to do cube root of 8. So 8 cubed is 2. And then 27 cube rooted is 3. So if I'm looking at the number 20, 20 is way closer to 27 than it is 8. So we're going to put 2 here, we're going to put 3 here, and we're definitely going to go about right here. And we're going to put that cube root of 20 about right here. So that would be how you estimate that one. And then our last one, we've got the cube root of 60. So again, I have a couple of them. I got 64 here and I got 27 here. So again, really close to this one, and not so much to this one. So the two integers it's closest to are 3 and 4. Those are the two numbers it's in between. Cube root of 3 is, cube root of 27 is 3, and the cube root of 64 is 4. So we're going to put 3 here, we're going to put 4 here. And when we're doing these, just so you can see, we're doing this with just estimating. I just want you to know that. When you're looking at this on a calculator, your calculators are going to be very different from calculator to calculator. So just so you can kind of see this particular calculator, this is just a plain scientific calculator. They are going to differ from model to model. This is the square root button right here. So this doesn't have a little index on it like that. So square roots we don't normally write 2, right, because it's just automatically inferred that. Now, as you can see up here, see this button right here, this green, it says little x and then a square root of y. That is the number that you would hit. So if I'm doing, let's just say, the square root of 60, you can see this is, cube root of 60, I would type in 60 here. And then what I would do is, in this calculator, you'd hit the second button, because that's green. We want the green. And then we're going to hit this button right here. And then what I'm going to do is hit, oops, okay, but maybe not. Maybe it's not working. All right, let's try that again. Let's try hitting this first and then doing 60. Some of these calculators are different. Nope, apparently that doesn't work. I don't know what's going on with this. This does not seem to want to cooperate. That's weird. Okay, never mind. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, but whatever. Anyhow, so this is closer to 4. So we're gonna put a line probably about right here. And we're just gonna put this cube root of 60. If I can find a calculator that works, that would be great. But I would like to show it to you. So anyway, that's how you do this. And if you want more questions like this, you can find them all on my YouTube, my TikTok, and my Instagram at YouWantAlgebra. These are going to be located under the root and exponent section.